Welcome to Repair by Me, your daily dose of how to repair scratches, scuffed bumpers, wheel repair, and more. If you're interested in everything around how to repair your own car or others, then this is the place for you. Do it yourself and save a ton of money. Please watch till the end and enjoy. And I'll show you how to restore this damage back to this. And please subscribe right away to the channel and give it a thumbs up to help this channel grow for more content. You can take the wheel off the car or leave it on and repair it on the car if that's your choice. Found this useful, and if you have any questions, comment below, and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. I put all the links in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.